Hello, welcome all of you viewers, and we will discuss about in this video major arcana cards, and the card is the devil. Now we have discussed other cards in another video, so please go through all the video one by one. You will learn from that video of the major arcanas about major arcana as minor arcana as well as. Please don't forget like and subscribe if you like this. We will motivate from your like and subscriber. Okay, thank you so much. And now we will discuss about the devil card, and let's talk about this. A masculine figure with the horn is a typically depicted on this card. There is a pentacles in the foreground signify the aspect of the physical being. In the Rider Waite deck, the card also shows a male and female figure, each with a veil of flames. In the Glided deck, the figure are absent, but there is imaginary representing the masculine and feminine aspect of life. 15 become a 6 in tarot card, which is a number of balance and harmony. This may appears to be a contrast to the seemingly negative aspect of the card. However, it represents the need for balance thought if harmony is to be achieved. The card typically appears to the querent who feel dragged down, helpless, or enslaved by a particular situation. The situation can be toxic situation, an ideal that ultimately holds you back, an addiction, or an abusive relationship. The main message is that the querent currently feel powerless and without control in situation they want to escape. It is important to remind the querent that they do have the power to leave. The devil figure in their life, the ones accusing the enslavement is the reason they feel they lack agency. This card tells the querent they can leave and that there are other opinion options available. Depending on the surrounding card, the devil can represent some scarcity. Now, tower card. The tower is represented by a crumbling tower struck by lightning. Flames pour out of the top of the tower as people are seen falling from the windows in both the rider wet decks and the glider decks. The figure are shown falling head first into the unknown. In this image, the tower represent man-made structure. Sometimes these man-made structures are filled with lies, falsehood, and other destructive concepts. The destruction comes from heaven and sends the message that objective truth will set you free, though not without a leap of faith. The number associated with Tower card is a 7. 7 is a number of reflection, wisdom, and discovery. It represents also faith, believing in that the which cannot be seen but must exist nonetheless. All buildings constructed without a solid foundation come apart at the same point. This card represents the dismantling of event, people, or situation built on illusion or false beliefs. In some cases, this happens because the querent can see the situation for what it truly is. While the card may seem unsettling, these querent are usually happy to learn that the opportunity to rebuild on the more stable ground is in their future. In another situation, however, this card is not so well received. It may indicate a sudden and unexpected change that the querent does not feel prepared to undertake. The other card in the spread typically indicate the nature of the change, giving your querent some guidance and a bit of warning. Now, the star card. The star feature a young woman pouring water from two pitchers nearby or into a stream. She is typically depicted naked with the stars in her hair. Her nudity represents truth, whilst hope, peace, and faith and are reflected the surrounding star. The stream symbolizes emotions and the whole human subconscious. The picture represents logic and the conscious mind. As a woman pours them into a stream, They renew the waters, restoring balance. The star is represented by the number 8 in Tarot numerology. It is a number of rebirth, attainment, and renewal. This is an excellent card to see in any spread. The star represents hope, optimism, and faith. It tells a querent they can trust the universe to provide what they need and indicated better times ahead. It also represents success, motivating querents to go after what they want. When this card appears as a part of a spread answering a question about relationship, it represents healing. Quite often, the querent has a concern about a fight or a disagreement with a family member, friend, or loved ones. The star means that reconciliation and forgiveness can be attained and that there is a hope for the future. If your parent has a recently started a new relationship, the star indicates a positive and happy future. Parents who are healing from toxic or negative relationship may seek an answer about their future love life. If the star appears, you can assure them that they can leave the past behind them. New, healthy, and happy relationships are in the future. The Moon card. In a Moose deck, based on the Rider Waite deck, the Moon card feature wolves or dogs howling at a large moon suspended in the sky. The card usually features two pillars representing the duality of life, along with the stream reflecting the human subconscious in the foreground. The moon is represented by the number 9, 9 in the number of wisdom, inspiration, and completions. In the context of the moon, the number 9 wants the querent to listen to their subconscious because all the wisdom they need is within. When the moon appears in a spread, it is often indicate deception or uncertainty. The moon also represents changing emotions. It tends to appear to querents who need help trusting their own instincts. Quite often, querent already has an answer they need. They just need help finding them within. The surrounding card in the spread can help provide your querent with the direction. These cards also warn people against jumping to conclusions. The light of moon can play tricks on the eyes, so it is important to take a step back and carefully evaluate the situation before proceeding. It may also warn a querent against trusting a new person too quickly. The Sun card. The Sun is this card's most prominent figure, dominating the view. In the Rider Waite deck, there is a young figure riding a horse, carrying a red flag in the foreground. This represents truth and trump. In the Glided deck, the sun is joined by the classical bodies held in a perfect orbit. In a tarot, the number 10 represents necessary endings leading to happy new beginnings. The sun is one of the most positive cards in the deck. Even most querent understand the optimism and hope brought by this particular card. Depending on the context, the sun represents a happy marriage, the beginning of new relationship, prosperity, and excellent health. When this card appear in a spread, make sure you advise the querent to take action and make the most out of the current situation. If they can do this, happiness and good fortune are in the near future. The Judgment card. The Judgment card depicts a messenger, typically one that resembles an angel. The figure is high in the heaven and uses a drum to spread its message to those on the ground below. The figure rising to greet the word of the messenger are usually naked, symbolizing their desire of truth. The tarot number associated with the judgment is a 2, while this number often represents the dual nature of the life. When it is associated with judgment, it symbolizes choice, reconciliation, and and consequence. The judgment card is also known as a karma card, as it represents the result of the action of the querent or someone in their life. If the individual has worked hard, they can expect to finally see reward and recognition of their hard work. Individuals who have cheated or deceived others can also expect to see repercussions of their actions. The judgment also represents resurrections, renewal, and rebirth. Lets the querent know that they can move on and make a new start, but wants them to evaluate their current situation and determine what lesson they can learn. The word card. The word is usually so a female dancer is standing confidently in the middle of breath of laurel leaves. She holds a white vents in their hand and is bathed in a golden light. Each aspect of the image symbolizes a perfect union of all the things. The number associated with the word card is 3, representing achievement, abundance, and creativity. The word card brings it together each lessons learned in the major arcana. It is assure trumps and victory to the querent, but only after hard work, reflection, and dedication. Reward must be earned. Querent frustrated with their current position in life are often relieved to see the word card, as it means their labor and efforts may soon pay off. This card also can indicate a new home, a trip, or other venture that bring our current joy. Thank you for all this